Dubh Linn agus tá fáilte over ag a Gaeilge. Hello everyone, you're very welcome back to the channel. Inyo, tá muid Dublin Loch le rud a eicinn tú gach lá in Éireann. Today we're diving into something you see every day in Ireland, ach nach smuoiníonn tú i gcónaí air, sin Ard Mhacha. But you might not always think about it. Those are place names. Ó Baile Átha Cliath go Dangann Chúis, from Dublin to Dingle. Ó Tullamore go Tuam, from Tullamore go Tuam. Tá na Ard Mhacha in Éireann lán le star, cultúr agus fiú gran. Irish place names carry centuries of history, culture and even humour. Denimish in Yocha, Aramanus Amri agus an nascatá le star na Éireann. Let's break down where they come from, what they mean and the connection they have to the history of Ireland. Tugann furvór Ard Mhacha na Éireann ón Gaeilge. Most Irish place names come from the Irish language. Le himachtamma, ach a hard taréis rial na Sasnach, Gaildeach golórachab. Over time, especially after English rule, many names were anglicised. Sé sin, curú fumnú an bhéarla orthu, meaning they were changed to sound more English. Ach, tá fréamhacha na Gaeilge fós le feiceáil, but the Irish origins still shine through. Mar shampla, Baile Átha Cliath. For example, Dublin, in Irish, Baile Átha Cliath. Cílíonn sin go literal, Baile Átha na Glái, which literally means the town of the ford of the hurdles. Sin mar go raibh á déanta as curtha fitte, curtha trasna na Liffey fadó. That's because the River Liffey once had a crossing made out of woven hurdles. Ach tugann an tanan béarla, Dublin, ó Dubh Linn, no, an Linn Gobh. But the English name Dublin comes from Dubh Linn, meaning black pool. Taggart go Linn d'urcha tíde a bhí ann, a reference to a dark tidal pool that was nearby. Mar sin tá gá anam le príomhchathair Éireann atá fitte fúte na chéile. So the capital city actually carries two names that are layered together. Sampla ella na Gaillimh ó Ochail Orsa a Cílíon's Clochach. Another example is Galway, from an archaic word meaning stony. De réir an seanchas áfach, bau banfrínsa darbanam Gaillimh san abhainn an sin. However, according to legend, a princess by the name of Gaillimh was drowned in a river there. Agus fuair an balla a anam an scéal sin fadó. And the town took its name from that story long ago. Tugann na scéalta sin léargas dún an mythology, tíreolaíocht agus star na háite in éon áit amháin. These stories give us glimpses of mythology, geography and history all in one place. Iverdó, pátrún chuitínta. Number 2. Common patterns. Má tá tú gur Ard Mhacha a léamh, tuirigh tú pátrún faoi dheara. If you want to read Irish place names, you'll start noticing patterns. Tugann Bally ó Bhaile, no áitcónaithe, no merla town. Bally in English comes from Baile, meaning town or homestead. Mar sin sé Baile an Chaisleán ná Baile a bhfuil Chaisleán ann, agus Baile Mhór ná Baile atá mór. So for example, Ballycastle is the town with the castle, and Ballymore is the big town. More meaning big. Tugann Cill no Killeen ó Cill in Gaeilge, a Cílín Aglish. Cill or Killeen comes from Cill in Irish, meaning church. Mar shampla, sé Kilkenny ná Aglish Ciannach. For example, Kilkenny literally means the Church of St. Canice. Cílín Dún ra no merla fort. Dún in Irish means fort in English. Smuoinigh Dún Lira. Think of Dunleary, O'Leary's fort. Cílín carrick-on-suir. Carrig means rock. Mar atá i carrick-on-suir, carrick-on-suir, as you see in carrick-on-suir, the rock on the river shore. Sé Loch ná Linn no merla lake, atá Loch na Loch Corrib. Loch means lake, as in Loch Corrib or Loch Ness. Tá na elementí seo cosúil le blochíní Lego. These elements are like Lego bricks. Nuair a higann tú iad is féidir le brí na Ard Mhacha ar fad oibre amach. When you figure them out, you can work out the meaning of any place name. Number 3. Loch Ard Mhacha mar star. Number 3. Place names as history. Níl Loch Ard Mhacha in a class teang goháin, is leabhar star iad. Place names aren't just language puzzles, they are history books. Cuimhní glóracha ar naomh luatha, trefna orsa, no lonahori lochlanacha. Many recall memories of early saints, ancient tribes, or even Viking settlers. Mar hampla tugan Baile Loch Garman on Shan Lochlanish, Viceford. Wexford, for instance, comes from the Old Norse word Viceford. Achilín Cuan na Railon Lába, meaning inlet of the mudflats. Ach tugan an lagan Gaeilge ó Loch, but the Irish version comes from a lake. Avá Chalach, Fire Darban, Garman, Garibh Ann, scale, where a witch is supposed to have drowned a man named Garman Garibh, or Rough Garman, according to story. Idrim Dálin, Cilín Ard Mhacha, Irde Mhacha. Meanwhile, Ard Mhacha or Armagh means Macha's height. Eg Taggart don Bhaile Átha in mythology, which is a reference to the goddess Mhacha in Irish mythology. Few mátá an tíreach ahratha, tá sé fós bios na Loch Ard Mhacha. Even if the landscape has changed, it is still remembered in the place names. In Sin Shidit Karev Forisha Aunacha no Dunta. They tell you where there was once woods, rivers, or forts. Few matashi de mianish, even if they're gone today. Iskasula piona GPS on Almatakachid. They're like GPS pins of the past. Marshin and Kedorla atatu tumont more hempel heron. So next time you're driving around Ireland, Brannig Niskera or Nakori Bor. Take a closer look at the road sign. Níl Baile no Cill aun mar focal randomach. The Bally or the Kill isn't just a random word. It's led in Eid, a hoganolas fui culture Changa agus Shanchas naturisha. They are clues to centuries of culture, language and legend in this country. Níl Loch Ard Mhacha na Héireann ina lipéad one is scéalta iad. Irish place names are more than just labels, they are stories. Garmag with us Branwer Show, thanks so much for watching. Mahatan and fish on that, Clorgil and Canale. If you enjoyed the video, like and subscribe. Agus scríb sna trochtana mátá Loch Ard spatial idir cheantar. And make sure to leave a comment if there's an interesting place name in your area. Ach go dtí an cé ceann eile, a Shane, a dó, a tree.